In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently import your customer data into QuickBooks Online. Whether you're just getting started or looking to streamline your bookkeeping process, following these steps will make the task straightforward and stress-free. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to prepare your customer data file. This is the foundational step that sets the stage for a successful import. Open up your preferred spreadsheet program like Excel or Google Sheets and either create a new list or open an existing one. This document should include essential customer details such as customer name, company name if you have it, email, phone number, billing address, and optionally a shipping address. Ensuring this information is accurate and complete will prevent headaches later on. Once you have all your details laid out, save this file either as an Excel document with the .xlsx extension or as a CSV file, which stands for comma separated values. These file types are the ones QuickBooks recognizes during imports. Now with your customer data file ready to go, it's time to log into your QuickBooks Online account. Open up your web browser or Chrome if that's your preference and head to the QuickBooks Online login page. Enter your credentials to access your account. Make sure you have the appropriate user permissions if you're operating within a team setting. Once you're logged in, you'll need to navigate to the Import Customers tool. Look to the top right corner of your screen and click on the gear icon. This will open a drop-down menu. Within this menu, you'll find a section labeled Tools. Under Tools, select Import Data and then click on Customers. This will lead you to the appropriate interface for your import. Now it's time to upload your prepared file. Click on the Browse button and select the Excel or CSV file you've just readied. Click Next, and QuickBooks will begin processing your file, prepping it for the upcoming steps. The subsequent step involves mapping your data. QuickBooks will automatically attempt to align your file's columns with its own fields. This step is critical to ensure everything is in the right place. Carefully verify these automatic mappings to ensure each column from your file matches the correct customer field within QuickBooks. In case of discrepancies, make the necessary adjustments. Once everything is aligned perfectly, press Next. Finally, it's time to import and review your data. Click on the Import button to begin the process. QuickBooks will then provide a summary once the import is complete, showcasing the number of customers imported and highlighting any errors. Take a moment to review this summary. If there are errors, QuickBooks will detail them, allowing you to make corrections. Address any issues that arise promptly to maintain the integrity of your data. And there you have it, a seamless way to import customer data into QuickBooks Online. By following these steps, you ensure an efficient transition of data, keeping your accounting workflows smooth and up to date. Thank you for watching, and happy bookkeeping.